Hi, my name is Shane Byers. I'm the owner and inventor of Vanity Vents. Our product was designed in order to solve the problem of crawl spaces and keeping them warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. Up until now, the only option that most crawl space homeowners have are these styrofoam vent inserts. And 100% of the people that use these will tell them they do not like them. They're crumbly, they fade, they break, they blow down the street, and they only come in white. And white gets dirty fast. So we've got Vanity Vents. It was only a matter of time till someone solved this problem. And Vanity Vents come in 5 different colors. This is absolutely gorgeous gray. You can see right here we've got classic tuxedo black. We've got brilliant snowflake white. We've got absolutely totally tasteful tan and perfect forest green. As you can see, Vanity Vents install very easily. Watch this. They install in 3 seconds or less. All we do is take the clip, line it up correctly, insert the clip, line it with this, insert the product, and clips into space, line it up, and there you go. You've got a Vanity Vent on. If you don't want to get rid of your old styrofoam vent inserts, then cover them up. Looky here, we could take we could take any color that matches your home, and we'll just cover that vent up, snap it into place, and there we go. Vanity Vents creates instant curb appeal. In real estate, there's 3 most important things are location, location, location. They don't tell you that the 4th thing is curb appeal. You want to dress up your home. People comb their hair, they brush their teeth, they shine their shoes because they want to look their best. Why not do that with the largest investment that you have? Make your home look good. Instant curb appeal, reduced utility bills, and interior home comfort improves almost immediately. Consider this. When it's 30 degrees outside, it's 30 degrees in your crawl space. And that's like your home sitting on top of an ice cube. Obviously, your furnace needs to work a lot harder to heat your home. But in the summertime, when it's 90 degrees outside, it's also 90 degrees underneath your crawl space. So your home is sitting on like a heating pad. And heat rises, so your air conditioner has to work so much harder in order to cool your home off. Now, one last thing we wanted to show you, and that is a add-on product to Vanity Vents. Let's say you don't like the styrofoam inserts. Well, we have our foam insulation blocks. These are very durable, very, and they fit just perfect, and they create a second layer of insulation, so essentially you're doubling up your insulation. So let's take this off. Let's show you how easy it is to put these in. Just pop them in just like this. Boom, boom, boom. Foam is pretty easy to work with. Take this one, put this in. Pop that in. Make sure it's nice and flush. It's good. Can you see how easy that fills up all the cracks? And now we take our Vanity Vent cover, and we put that on, and that slides right on just like before, pops right in, line it up, and there you go. You've got double insulation, and Vanity Vents make your home look so much better.